silent planet Mercury, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Venus, Earth, Mars, asteroid belt, Jupiter, Jupiter, Saturn, Saturn, Uranus, Pluto, Uranus, Pluto, Ceres, Ceres, Kuiper belt. Hello. Solar system! Solar system. And again. Sun and planet, Mercury, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Venus, Earth, Mars, asteroid belt, Jupiter, Jupiter, Saturn, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, Ceres, Kuiper belt. Solar system! Solar system.
Sun.
Hello.
Sun is our closest star and the source of all power on Earth. It's huge. Look how tiny Earth looks beside it. Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet, but it is the fastest. You would have a birthday party every 3 months. On Mercury, you are a teenager at 3 and an adult at 5. Venus. Venus is super hot, hotter than an oven. 1 year there is a little bit shorter than on Earth. A day lasts 1 whole year, so does a night. Earth. You know Earth, it's our home planet. We can say that it is a water planet, since water covers 70% of the Earth's surface. Mars. Mars is only half the size of Earth. Mars's crust has different thicknesses. On one side it is thick and on the other thin. It looks like Mars went through a tough battle and lost part of its crust. Jupiter. Jupiter is the king of the planets. It's a giant gassy planet, so we call it a gas giant. It has a big storm as big as our planet. Saturn. Saturn is a bit smaller than Jupiter. All the gas planets have rings, but Saturn's are the most beautiful. Uranus. Uranus and Venus both spin the opposite direction. And unlike any other planet, Uranus rotates on its side. Neptune. Neptune is dark, cold, and super windy. It has tornadoes so big that they could swallow the whole Earth.
Solar system. Hello. Solar system.
Mercury has the best view of our sun.
Yes.
It has no atmosphere,
What?
so the days are hotter than oven,
Fire! Fire!
and the nights are much colder than a freezer. You would melt during the day and you would freeze during the night.
Oh no!
Mercury looks like our moon, and it's only a bit bigger.
See ya.
Venus's atmospheric pressure is super high. You would be squished flat there.
Hold me!
Venus is a bit hotter than Mercury. You would melt even a bit faster.
Oh no!
And on top of that, the clouds on Venus rain acid.
Hold me!
Earth is our home planet. the only safe planet in our solar system. Earth's moon is huge, about quarter of the Earth's size, and it's much farther than you think. All of our planets would fit between Earth and the moon.
What?
Or imagine about 30 Earths that you would fit there.
What?
Mars has two small potato-shaped moons called Phobos and Deimos. The sunset on Mars looks blue.
What?
The red planet has actually many colors: brown, gold, tan.
Mommy!
Mars is home to the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons.
Oh no!
Jupiter looks stripped because it spins and pulls its clouds. It has the biggest storm in our solar system.
Oh no!
Jupiter has around 100 moons.
What?
They are dark, tiny, and far, so we can't see them. But we keep finding new ones all the time. Did you know that Jupiter has rings too?
What?
All of our big planets have rings.
What?
But the sun reflects off Saturn's and makes them sparkle, so we can see them the best. Saturn, like Jupiter, has many moons, more than 100.
What?
But don't keep track of their number. Tomorrow it will be higher. Saturn is almost completely made of gas.
Oh no!
You can't land there, it's only clouds.
Mommy!
Don't go to Saturn. Uranus and Neptune are called ice giants, but it's not like they are made of ice.
What?
If you were to fly into their atmospheres, you wouldn't crash into large chunks of solid ice.
Yes!
You would be flying through cold gas.
What?
Same like Jupiter and Saturn.
Oh no!
But there could be teeny tiny ice crystals formed in the atmosphere.
Mommy!
The end.
What?
Oops, not the end yet. Neptune. It could take you 12 years to fly to Neptune.
Oh no!
Neptune is super dark. You won't be able to see anything without a flashlight.
What? Hey, I can't see. Put that back.
Solar system. Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars,
Asteroid belt.
Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Thanks for
Solar
watching.
system!